Your Android phone can be set to either a light mode or a dark mode, and this setting will affect how a lot of your apps look. To change between light mode and dark mode, we'll start by going to Settings. Swipe up to reveal your app drawer and then locate your settings. Scroll down to Display, and on the very top you'll see a selection for either the light mode or dark mode. Under that you'll see Dark Mode Settings. This is where you can schedule dark mode to turn on automatically either based on sunset times or based on a custom time frame. The main idea of dark mode is that it's easier on your eyes in dark environments, and I personally like having my phone turn dark after sunset. It's a bit easier and pleasant on the eyes when using my phone late at night. If your phone keeps automatically changing the setting, make sure you don't have dark mode scheduled, and that's it. Click the like button if this helped you, and check out my Android playlist for more easy, straight-to-the-point tutorials like this. Thanks all. I'll see you in the next one.